Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about household pest control products online, the best Bocianelli Ultrasonic Pest Repeller 6-pack. This electronic repellent promises a chemical-free, silent, and highly efficient solution to your pest problems. Whether it's roaches, rodents, ants, spiders, or mosquitoes invading your home, this little device claims to drive them away using advanced ultrasonic technology. Let's start with what you get in the package. The box includes 6 identical ultrasonic repeller units. Each one is compact, sleek, and designed to plug directly into your wall outlet, no batteries or maintenance required. You simply plug it in, and it gets to work. The Bocianelli device emits ultrasonic sound waves at a frequency that is inaudible to humans and pets like dogs and cats, but extremely disruptive to pests. These sound waves interfere with the pest's nervous systems, driving them away from the treated area. Over time, this makes your home an unbearable environment for them, and they leave, without the need for traps, poisons, or cleanup. Now here's where the product really stands out. It's designed for wide indoor coverage, perfect for use in places like kitchens, bedrooms, garages, basements, and warehouses. Since you get 6 units, you can deploy them throughout your home for full coverage, making it more effective than single-unit options. Another standout feature is safety. Because it uses sound technology instead of chemicals or toxins, it's completely safe for kids and pets. No more worrying about dangerous sprays, sticky traps, or ingestible pellets around the house. It's a hands-off, plug-and-play solution that works quietly in the background. The manufacturer recommends using 1 unit per room, especially since ultrasonic waves can't penetrate walls or furniture effectively. After plugging it in, it typically takes 2 to 3 weeks to see significant results. Some users report noticing increased pest activity in the first few days. That's normal. It means the pests are being disturbed and are on the move to find a new habitat. While the product isn't meant to kill pests instantly, the idea is to prevent infestations long-term. Over time, pests begin to stay away because the environment becomes inhospitable. So, if you're expecting instant results, you may be disappointed. But if you're looking for a non-lethal, eco-friendly solution that fits modern living, this could be a great choice. In terms of design, it's minimalist and unobtrusive. There's a small LED light on the front that confirms it's working, but it's not bright enough to be a distraction, even in a dark room at night. It's also incredibly energy efficient. Running 24/7 won't spike your electricity bill, and the durability of the units means you won't be replacing them every few months. They're built to last for years, making them a cost-effective solution over time. In conclusion, the best Bocianelli Ultrasonic Pest Repeller 6-pack offers a safe, quiet, and convenient way to keep your home pest-free. If you're tired of toxic chemicals, messy traps, or loud devices, this is definitely worth considering. Just remember, it's a long-game product. Give it a few weeks to work its magic and enjoy a more peaceful, pest-free home. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the products you're curious about. See you in the next one.